message and then there we go. All right, everything should be up and running. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Monday morning. Why is there so many different cams? There we go. Everything should be good and organized now. Just gonna wait to see if people are gonna join. We about to get these little markups so far. See what we working with. We got the previous day's high still intact. Previous day's low still intact. So as of right now, we're in the middle of this range. So trending so far higher. More than likely, looks like we could make a run for that previous day's high. But that then comes down to where do we think price could potentially have that reaction. Right now, we have the Asian session highs and lows have already been ran pretty significantly early. Let's have all that marked up. So in my opinion, something I do think is possibly able to get us a good trade opportunity is if we do fall back. Hold on, this magnet be annoying. If we do fall back into around this range somewhat in here, we might be able to get a good opportunity to see price go higher. But but we gonna see. What you bearish? Fuck. Ain't no way. There we go. Too many different microphones. But nah, right now I'm just looking for longs. Ideally, if we could run all these lows down here, tap into this gap, I think that would be a good area for me to see price go long. But for the most part, it's already trending today, so I'm not forcing shit. Nope, we're getting some volume. If we could drop into this gap at 9:30, that's gonna be my trade more than likely. Yeah. I'm gonna see if we could drop into this gap in here, like this 12, 9, 6, 7 area by 9:30, 9:45. Run all these lows. That's gonna probably be my one trade for the day. Cause I've been watching this for a little bit. Stop loss probably like 30 points. I don't want to have it too wide though. I don't know, cause even to these lows is ideal. This would be the ideal low of the day, in my personal opinion. We are rejecting this order, this area up here though. But ideally, I'm bullish. I would rather see price make a run for the previous day's high. But we'll see. Like I told Jenna earlier when I called him, we were pushing now. But if shit ends up flipping a whole zigzag again, Jesus Christ, this is going to be right back to where we started last week with these damn moves. Yeah, right before you joined, I said we didn't run the previous day's high or the previous day's low. So right now, we're just in the middle. So anything could happen. If it does that shit, it's going to be an unfortunate week. Starting off with the fucker. I thought about it at that 13,000, but I was just like, I'm going to just wait. Too many times where this shit just been trending. Like situations like this where it'll drop, go higher, drop, go higher. And it just makes you fake you out. I'd rather just miss out on the whole move entirely, in my opinion. Especially because it's Monday. Mondays, like I said, they always trend a range. Take that shit to around the 50% of the Asian range. Oh, yeah. That 1 hour on NAS is the one I'm looking at. Yeah, we're getting a volley before 9:30, so try to make his way there. Yeah, DXY is drop it. I have DXY covered like 102 at this point. Yeah, it's because you're doing like opposites. This has been trending lower today, and we've been kind of trending higher on NAS. So it makes sense if we can get a nice little. The only thing is, it's not the fact that I'm not bullish. It's the fact that are we going to drop low enough to get that move? That's more or less what I'm going to be worried about. Because for all we know, shit could just be on some fuckery and just keep going. Yo, this shit looks interesting. What the fuck? Why it look like this? Ooh, it's in that gap. That's crazy. It's in this gap. That's wild. Certain brokers, I don't know which one this is. I just put up a random 30, but this looks like that weekly open gap right here that's chilling in. That's kind of scary, not gonna lie, but I ain't worried about 30. Which gap were you, which run were you talking about? To the left, yeah, that would be what, especially because it happened at 3 o'clock. That's the low of the day that I would want to see get held. Ideally, like if London session has the ideal low of the day situation, you know what I mean? Like those are the trades that would run the highest if they do play out. I just lost my whole chart. Possibly. Ideally longs. All right. As long as we're on the same bias, that shows somehow this week is a little bit better than last week. 'Cause Jesus, we was all opposites. At least if we wrong, we wrong together. Jesus. But nah, that 1 hour gap is what I'm really looking for. What's the taps in that area? 30's up there. Jetta, I thought she wasn't traded 30 for the challenge. But that's the thing. It's always gonna be like that, bro. It's always. Shit, but just know some people gonna be able to hit of this shit. The only thing I'm saying is, yeah, I'm glad you did it, but that's the only thing. Cause one thing I'm remembering is you said yourself you go sick and ass for the challenge. But I'm just saying, don't even look at him. Trust. Don't even look at him, cause trust me. Hey, listen, rules are rules. Just remember that it might work sometimes, but it's there for a reason. Yeah, but we haven't been successful. That's a problem too. That's another thing. That's why even me, I ain't even looking at 30. You feel me? Shit. And that's why I'm telling you. And that's why I'm telling you. And that's exactly what I'm telling you, Jenner, because I've been through it. Trust. Yeah. It's a nice move, nonetheless. Yeah, we got 3 minutes, so 9:30. I want this shit to go to these lows right up. Hopefully. That previous day's high is my main target. We can get that. That would be amazing. Amazing move. Oh yeah. Probably. This weekly fair value gap has held so much. It's crazy. It even came back into it again. Fucking. Just from when it opened last night to now, Jesus Christ. Those entries, swingers have probably been eating. Yeah, I know. I know about them. I have a whole chart for it, my boy. You feel me? Let's see. Run these lows. The only thing I'm trying to be worried about is I don't know whether I want to hop in as soon as it runs lows at the hot top of the big gap, or wait till it comes maybe like half. Yeah, but it's Monday. Monday usually I'm that Monday vibes. Yeah, but Wednesday's trash overall. Monday has a chance. Like Monday could tap into it, fly. It could feel it, fly. It could have to reverse it for all I know. It's a hit or miss. Shit. Let me go back to last Monday. What happened on last Monday? Yeah. Oh yes, it did. We dropped and had a reversal. No, it dropped all the way until 12 p.m. New York time. Look, look. This, bro. This is 12 p.m. in the afternoon. It had a full reversal that led into the rest going into Tuesday. Yeah, fuck London. All London dropped for New York to reverse is what I'm saying. Especially, it's just been. Oh yeah, there we go. We dropping. I'm thinking maybe a 30-point stop. Only thing I would ideally want it below that low. Nah, not the low, not the low low. If it feels it, if it maybe if it feels it. You said what? Nah, not you. Kino. What's frozen? Fuck Rocket. I ain't even gonna look. This is gonna make me upset. I ain't even looking at that shit. No shit. No, I don't put it past it. 30 was already trending as is. Crazy. I don't even blame it. Yeah, that's why I'm just waiting for Nas to push. If Nas pushes, then it's chalk, but I ain't really worried about 30. Because it could very well fly from here if it really wanted to. Nonetheless, I wanted to come down, but I'm just saying, it ran those lows, tap that gap. If it really was to tread, shit could just keep going. It's just diff. Just know. Oh, yeah. Oh, we ran it on the broker, but not on here. Mm. Damn, this shit dropped. All right, and I'm in there. I'm in there. Yeah, I'm in there. It's different from the broker. The broker ran the low. FTMO ran low. Yeah, I'm in there for buys. It ran the low on the broker, not on this John, unfortunately. I think it's supposed to look like this. There we go. It looks like this chart, not the other chart. I need an Astra. Because I'm trying to like hold it in one hand while putting the stop loss. I'm in at 12.968. I feel him. He cheered different. We more riskier. He's cool with having the other type of entry. He, nah, not to us, cause that's what we do, bro. You be just bought when that shit ran the law. That's crazy. This broker's fuck. Like if I wasn't watching my MetaTrader, I would not be in the shirt. Is this one? I clicked on the wrong one by accident when I did the markup because I have two. But yeah, that shit gone. Beautiful. Ideally, the previous day is high. I'm not sure what price that is. It's crazy. That's what we like right there. When we're right, we should be right. Now this is a nice little move. Let's just see if it continues. Yeah, that's what I'm all saying. Until we close. See, Bells, I told you when we on the same side, usually it's right. When we're on the opposite side, shit just gets tricky. Shit gets tricky. Yeah, we definitely up 1%. I'm probably up. Oh yeah, Kino. Kino's like, yeah, I'm up a cool 1.5. Yeah, that's just crazy pushing. I'm up 1.5. Well, I'm waiting for the previous day's high. Previous day's high is where my target is. That's like my main shit right there. That's where I'm taking majority of it off. I'm just leaving my runner. It's already right there. If it don't hit it, that'd be unfortunate, but it's so close. And DXY, DXY is ranging, but it's overall bearish. Fuck the beginning of the week. It's the beginning of the morning. It's only 9:36. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna just leave that bit. If it did a full reversal, like I said, that should be unfortunate. But yeah, I'm break even too. I feel you. I feel you. Just wait for your risk reward. Risk reward always saves us. But yeah. All right. This is a valid day so far. Regardless, we got what we wanted. Reaction. That's all I wanted. Yeah, I'm just. Yeah, this one was live. It's live. Yeah, it's live. There we go. Yeah, that's a goner. That's a goner. Come on, hit that previous ace high from me. I just want these highs ran, but I don't want to hold too much. You feel me? But then again, I feel like if I cut that shit off and then it hits it, I'm gonna just be like, I don't know why you did that. Just gotta give it like 3 seconds. Cause I've shit's been tricky. In markets like these, I'm cool with getting out early. Fuck all that. I'm waiting for it to get out in a second. Five, four, Come on, just a little bit higher for me, my boy. It started like ranging here. All right, I'm gonna give it a second again. Jesus, it's gonna do it. It's just doing that tricky shit. All them support right here. This support resistance people right here is what it's doing right before it runs a high. Is making them think it's gonna go short, just to burst through it. Then it might short. Then for all I know, it's going short. But once we run it, I'm going. It's all good, bro. Yeah, I'm closing too. I'm closing too. It's all good, bro. Mm-hmm. Some more, some less, but it's all the trade idea that matters. And that was a clean one. No cap. Nah, that was clean, bro. That was clean. Generally, like that right there is exactly why I always try to get in right before. Cause sometimes shit's just shit. You crazy, crazy man. That whole move last night just happened in one candle. I don't see shit if I'm being honest. Like where it rejected, I don't see nothing. Like me personally. Like I would have rather seen it just run that low or something, but the way it kind of reacted, I didn't see nothing for like where it was. At least on a 15 1 hour time frame, like where price went. Oh, I never close. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I never closed. I just closed 2.5. I was waiting for the runner, and I looked up, and that shit just was going. Yeah, I took it off now. That's just out of there. You see this? Look, 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 look. Kino, look in the camera. Look in the camera, everyone. Look over. Yeah. They not gonna hear it, but they gonna see me, and then I could kind of play around with the live stream later. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, that shit's going though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I think Kai caught him too. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, he's in gold. He was in gold shorts. That had to play out then. Had to play out then. If he's in gold shorts, that's crazy. Yeah, I just let the runner. These be them trending days. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm already. I closed 2.4%, but I'm up like zero point 0.1 with this runner. Thorough, thorough. This shit look like NFP. Why look? I'm about to close more on the. I'm up. How much is this? 74 for 75 points. That's not even a lot for Nas, but it's a big. I guess it's a small range, so this shit looks huge. So it looks huge. Kino, what's your count at? Because I know you have the least time. Oh, all right. Oh, all right. Oh, all right. Okay. Good little Monday. Good little Monday. Good little Monday. We only been here 25 minutes too, and we were on. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, it's a quick day, Bells. Quick day, Bells. Bells, this I ain't gonna lie though, Bells. I'm gonna hop on the game sometime today because it's gonna be rainy. It's gonna be ugly as shit outside. Bro, 25-39. And that wasn't even the full trade. The trade was probably like 15. You a wild man. Let me see. Let me see what that shit look like. Just cause holy mackerel. That shit that shit look like a swordfish. That John crazy. Nah, that's 30 though. It could go all the way up. Who knows? Hey, that's why we ain't traded. Look at 30, but then look at Nas. That's what I like to see. Fuck 30. Fuck 30 right now. If you would have last night, you would have been up right now. And if you would have got in again, if you would have got in again, it would have been over. Yeah, alright. I feel him, but at the same time, I don't feel him because then again, we all trade that shit anyway. But even then, I'm saying indices as a whole, like to trade these, even as it's lit if you know how you're doing. But niggas, they do not need to be on this yet. That's a fact. That's a fact. Niggas will get cooked. It's thorough. They just gotta remember high risk, high reward at the end of the day. Yeah. Shows the balance, and I'll show you CPI. I'll show you some. I'll show you some, bro. Man, fuck all that. Nah, that's facts. But yeah, 2.4 for today. It's not bad. Considering how fast that was and how clean it was, and that we have a runner, it's definitely not bad. Nah, bro, don't worry about it. Trust. I feel him. That's like me not leaving a runner. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and it was here. It was him laughing. I knew I heard someone laughing. Yeah, that's the laugh, bro. But now you be safe, bro. He has like one of them recognizable laughs. Like I heard him, and I was like, oh, yeah, I know that laugh. You know what I'm saying? No, yeah, fast day, fast. It's fuck 30 minutes. But hey, I'll take it. I'll fucking yeah, I'll take it. And look at this weekly or the weekly gap again, Jenner. Like even if you're looking at shit, let's do it. Right over here. What if I lost my train of thought? What you call it? The weekly gap, Jenner. Look at this shit. Like even though, like I said, remember how we have the crazy entries when we like even with Kino, the way he trades, he be late, but like even then, like say he would have got in up here, it still be valid. You get what I'm saying? The body is crazy, but you see that though. Mm-hmm. Man, fuck the five, man. I feel you, but looking at the too many time frames, in my opinion, I learned it really just cooks you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But for me to look at it, it's too many. I look at too many other ones. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. I used to like the 5, but in my opinion, just sticking to 15 1 hour, I think that's valid in my opinion. Yeah. They could have very well. One thing I was looking for, it could have this. I know that the only thing is like with the way I've been trading, like looking over here, there's nothing clean to like what it reacted off of. It was just kind of just like, but that's what I'm saying. Like I don't like to go to like once I start really searching for something, that's when shit's cooked. Like if I just stick to the hour, should be so much simpler. Like bro, this is the only gap that was here. Like this is the only gap. That's why it's like way easier in my opinion. But that nigga be in there taking multiple trades too. Just remember, I don't take as many trades as him. Where here? Yeah, but in my opinion, the stuff I like to see is stuff like this, where if I look to the left, I can like very easily see it. Like if I have to go searching for it, in my opinion, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, if you would have got in time and it would have been thorough, but I like my shit simple, like this right here, like right here, like this is what I like. Like this is where I like when you could look and you see the only thing, and it's just like one, like the only thing here, and it's on like a bigger time frame, so I know I might be able to have a good chance at the daily move. I see what you're saying, but like if you look left here, there's nothing like clear that I would. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know. I'm sticking with the hour. Of recently, this shit been working. Hour 15. Anything lower, I just start finding shit that I don't even need to be using. Because the lower time frames, they'll give you a lot more. They'll give you a lot more setups. But one thing I do want to say though, what's up with these brokers? This one didn't even run this low, and that's crazy. This one I know is cooked, but this is the one I originally used. But that's why I have the other markup on here. But this one right here, it's just crazy because it's like in people like Bell's eyes that don't really trade, not even cook them. This would have played out for them just because of how this broker looks, just because of how it looks. You get what I'm saying? But on a whole other broker, it didn't do that, and that's crazy. That's crazy to think about if you really think about it. That's what I'm saying because this never ran the low. This would have technically, in their eyes, been like a support resistance, and it would have played out for them. And it's crazy to think that there's certain brokers that just be based on how you trade, it could fuck you up, and that's crazy to think about. Yeah, FTMO they ran the low, so I know they on the good side. They out here trying to cook people, and I feel them because I'm trying to cook with them. Feel me? But yeah, I think this is mostly it. I'm already mostly out. If it keeps running, it's gonna keep running. Yeah, I ain't really worried about it. Like I said, I don't got no expectations. If shit were to drop, it is what it is. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm out. At this period six high, you already see us having that reaction. Like I said yesterday, I'm not keeping no bias. If we drop, we drop. If we keep going higher, we go higher. I'm just taking it session by session. We gonna see what's up. But my day's over. 34 minutes later. All right. Now I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, easily. These be the ones where we just gotta take what we can. Come back tomorrow. I'm only risking point 0.5 tomorrow. Fuck it. Since we up so much. And then if I win, I'm up there. Yeah, but I ain't trying to risk so much. Fuck that. I already got the weekly goal. I'm cool. 0. 0.5. If I make another 1%, then I can risk 1% on next trade. Yes, I'm up 2.4 plus holding the runner. So I'm probably up 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. That's thorough. Oh shit! All you need is one of those a week, and you got 10%. 2.5 a week, you got 10%. Yeah. Shit, but even then, most people aren't gonna even get that 2.5. You get what I'm saying? So shit. Yeah, I didn't want trade, but still, you never know. Like these market conditions can get ass the rest of the week, and I just throw all that shit away, risking the same amount. I could throw all that shit away just in the rest of the week. I could lose every trade the rest of this week, and if I risk 1%, I'm gonna end up back in negative. So just the fact that I'm up 2.4 and I could risk maybe 500 and then make maybe 1,015. Then at that point, then I could maybe risk one. But shit, being up so early, that's only one trade, and I don't even got a bias yet. I don't even know what's going on if we're being honest. We could push, but we could just be going higher to go lower for all I know. Shit's just ugly for the most part, and it's been ugly. Yeah, but like I said too, I've been saying that every week for the past like 4 weeks, so I'm done trying to have expectations. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah, at this point, I'm done. I said that that week, and this week. Nah, I'm done. Whatever you do, just do it. I ain't even gonna try and predict it no more. Cause it very well could trend for a while. I remember ICT said for a while he was like shit could range for months. And I'm just like that's crazy. It's only been 1 month. It's not even months yet. If it's the rest of this month, then we're going into that choppy time. But just know, if we get moves like this in the choppy times, it's still gonna work. And fuck that. Even if you go to something like the dollar's even worse, bro. Dollar's been doing down bad. Look at this. It's just been up, down, but slowly going lower. And now we're just kind of in this midpoint again. Yeah. But nonetheless, so before I'm out of here, let's all pat ourselves on the back. You know what I'm saying? We had we did what we said we were gonna do the whole week in one day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but your goal was just break even though. And you're already getting there. Yeah, but yeah, I feel you. All right, Rakino, you be safe. I'm about to script too before this. Oh yeah, go ahead. You can see mine. Matter of fact, let me check yours while we're here. Let's see. 1.7. I feel you. I feel you. How many trades? Two, three. Okay. US 30 and NAS. Okay. Okay. Okay, that was a break you one. I'll give you that. What you get in and then reevaluated life. Oh, it just dropped. Okay, I feel it. Yeah, that's what I said, bro. Every time I go to his shit, it takes me to this. I'm just like, all right, get me off of this. It takes me Australian 200 cash every time I log into yours. I'm just like, all right, bro. That shit pushing though. All right, let me check Jenner. Where you at, boy? Oh, you still holding? Shit, I feel you. How much did you take off? 1%. Mm. Man, you be taking way bigger parcels, less parcels. I mean, I be taking at my TP 1, 2, 3. Shit. Yeah, but in my personal opinion, I would wait to hold runners for until after. I would get to break even first. That's just me. What I would do, personally. Nah, I feel you. Nah, yeah. Wow, man. Yeah, dollar looks like it's gonna keep shitting. We gonna see what happens. We got Edward. Man, this was a good little trip. I'm about to script though. Now I'm just sitting here, just looking around. But I'm about to be out of here. Get your bells, get your Jenner. Everybody else, that's your manual. You all be safe. I'm gonna talk to you all. We be back for London. If I wake up for London, then more than likely there might be a trigger because I don't know why I haven't been waking up. My alarms, I just have been non-existent, non-existent, bro. I physically don't wake up. Like my alarms, I wake up at New York session, bro. The alarms are off, everything. I'm just like, all right, this is crazy. Cause I do be wanting to wake up. I just don't. I sleep through it 100%. Nah, I wouldn't have wanted to take that. The only reason I would have taken that was probably because of 3 o'clock, in my opinion. Shit, you just gotta do it, man. We gonna lose regardless. You just gotta take them. Sometimes you're gonna lose them. Sometimes you're gonna win them. Yeah, I didn't really like the way it looked, in my opinion. Timing was the only key factor I saw. Like just looking at like an hour time frame. Eh, it depends. Let me see. Did a oh, it's 10 o'clock right now. Did a real post? Yes, it did. Hey, go like that real. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right now, previously high, so very well could. Who knows? I can see it because even if you look on the hour time frame, the way it closed, it's just not thorough. It could do whatever. It's a big ass doji, big ass soulfish. Yeah, Mondays and Tuesdays, in my opinion, have been the best trading days I've had so far. Past few weeks. Friday has been iffy. Fridays have been iffy of recent. Yeah, they be giving names to everything, bro. Pause. Now that's a major pause right there. Now that's crazy. I couldn't be in the army. That shit. I wake up. I'm gonna uppercut. I'm gonna uppercut the lieutenant, whoever them niggas are, sergeant, general, and then he gonna discharge me, and I'm never gonna be able to work a job. Yeah, I'm combative, and I know they probably just violate just to violate, bro. They gotta make you. They gotta make you strong, but nah, bro. They probably just try to violate Bells too, and he way bigger than me. Bells too big. He's exception. Bad John. It's crazy because some of the songs that people wanted him to release, I don't even think are really him. It's just like AI, and they were never. It was he never really. You mean? Hold on. Let me see. What do you want me to say? 10 102. It just looks like that because it's like you're right at that 300 point. So you're like we're right there, about to be up to. I made one of the videos that we saw, boys. Remember the ones that me and Kino was talking about, the reels. Oh, I'm gonna try to do those now. I'm gonna try to go viral. I'm gonna flip 100K account to 100K. Yeah, 2 trades. Yeah. I'm gonna hold full margin fucking swings high of the week. That's the only way I'm gonna have to do that shit. Bro, my chest is killed, bro. I hit chest yesterday. Stretch my shit out bad. I feel it. Regardless, it's a good Monday. We made nothing but potential risk for the rest of the week. So if we just risk what we already got, there's a potential of a lot of upside. The fuck, man? Shit. Oh yeah. My boy said I only made 3%. I'm like, nigga. Real shit, I made 2.4, and that was after I held that bitch. Yeah, he was break even. He was break even at the beginning of the week. Yeah. He risked. The thing is, bro, his stop loss would be small. Like he'd be 25 points, 25 points, 25 points. So he'd be having like, a little bigger lots. Oh yeah, that should be high. That should be shiesty. Yeah, 15 is crazy. On 30 is even crazier. Asphalt, yeah, it looks like it's gonna run that low. I'm about to just journal this trade. Nah, that 1 hour for value gap was really beautiful. Like bells. Now you see it, bro. You see it, bro. Come on, bro. That's all I want you to see, man. Cause it's one thing for me to say it, but when it happens live, I mean, shit, you see it. That is, it is a retracement because we ran this low and London bought, and this was the retracement during New York at 9:30. And the 50% of the age range. Yeah, we said that, Mills. Remember, I said it. Remember? Yeah. I remember. I just remember that shit too. Yeah, at this point, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not keeping it biased, but that's why I'm keeping it session by session. But by session, what I was looking for was London already bought. So if this is gonna be the low of the day, I wouldn't want to see this run, this area get ran at all. Like in my opinion, price could have very well likely made a wick all the way down to here, still and played out as long as this low never got ran, as long as it never got ran. Nah, this is yeah, I'm doing my journal, so I went back in time. Shit, fuck the regular candles. This shit is gone. It's probably stopped my runner out. Damn near. But nah, I'm about to journal the trade real quick. You know what I'm saying? March 32nd, 6. This is not what I just did. Now we gonna pass this challenge, boys. I'm telling you, we gonna have our ups and downs, but overall, we know where we're gonna end up. Then we just gotta get them last few trades. Damn. I've done some crazy shit, but I wouldn't say the shit that I do is responsible though. Nah, I remember I made. I remember, bro. I was at break even, and I made the 10% in one day. Like, bro, and mind you, it was the last day at that. The last day of the challenge. Yeah, and then you know what happened? I went over the risk by $40 for the day, even though I was at 110. That's what hit me. Nope. That's crazy. It's crazy that this was only a 1 to 2 trade for me too. I ain't even get, bro. I ain't risk something crazy. Like this is wide. This is wide. Considering we only went into, I went into 4 points. I went into 3 points of drawdown when I was risking 30 points. If I would have had a 10 point stop, I would have been up 6% with that trade. If I would have had a 20 point stop, I would have been up 3.3%. That's crazy to think about, considering that was a great trade. And I ain't complaining though, cause shit, that was amazing. I'll take it. Don't worry. Real shit, cause I would have just had to hop up. But even then, that previous ace high was my target regardless. That was what I was gonna partial, so it just depended on what I risked. Now this is textbook New York retracement for the London continuation. The no news days be kind of thorough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Shit. It's all about just being repetitive, just looking for the same shit, bro. That's all it is. It's just all about being repetitive and just being able to replicate the same stuff over and over and again. The fuck?